I wanna show you now another tips and tricks from the same best opening that I have told you and teach you before. But in this situation, the enemy has another formation. So I wanna show you now how to. Actually, I have faced these movements in the real life situation that I have fight or I have defeated my classmates because of these tips and tricks. Okay, so I wanna show you now. As you saw, the first movement, this area, then this is the first movement the enemy have go. Okay, so this area again, the enemy bounce back in this area, and to form the arrowhead, as you saw, I go here. So in this formation, the enemy let me eat. Okay, then I bounce back. Then the enemy put this his chip into this area for me to for this for this piece to avoid entering in this area. So he put the chip to defend this area. Okay, then I entered here. This is my movement so that I cannot destroy this uh, arrowhead formation. Arrow tail formation, so that I can't destroy this arrow tail formation, and neither also destroying this base. Okay, so that's my movement. Then the enemy covered his area. Okay, so the enemy covers his area. Then again, I'm entering this area to uh, attack the enemy in the best attack ever. Okay, so the enemy cover again. Right, the enemy cover again. This time I form another arrow head and arrow tail. Okay, so as you can see, arrow tail and arrow head. Yeah, I formed that one to have to surely win the game. So the enemy uses this chip so that after that, if I move into any place, he will then go in this area so that this fourth chip will be trapped, right? So as you can see, he go into this area. Then I let him eat this one, and it is the end. You know why? Because if he eat in this area, then I will let him, or I will stretch my arrow, right? 1, 2, and 3. And if the enemy will eat into another area, right? If I will feed them here, then he or she will eat in this area, then I will not bounce back here. Instead, I will not go there, so that after that, this one will be open. This area will be open. He will eat twice. He believes that he had eaten much than you, but then this area is open for us to stretch the arrow. And then, ta-da! We now win the game for sure, because these 5 chips is now trapped, and this one chip can be trapped by this chip we have at the base. So that's for today, guys.